Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a first poem, A Laughing Song. It is written by William Blake. The poem Laughing Song by William Blake is a depiction of an idea word. It is one of his few poems which portray nature with rich and pleasant imagery. The poem has been divided into three stanzas having 4 lines 1, 2, 3. Now open your textbook and we will see the stanza wise explanation. First I will read the stanza. When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy and the dimpling stream runs laughing by, when the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hills laughs with the noise of it. So, the first line of the first stanza. When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy. The poet says the forests are green in spring and their leaves make soothing and calming voices when the air passes through them. Next, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. Dimple is a small depression which appears on the cheeks of some people when they smile or laugh. So, dimple in this poem would be the waves which keep moving across the streams. Now these dimpling or smiling streams and rivers pass by the green forest. Next, he says, when the air does laugh with our merry wit. The poet says, during the summertime, the air also makes audible sounds while crossing the rivers and forests. The poet says that the air is also laughing with them. In the final line of the stanza, and the green hills laughs with the noise of it. Near the forest and stream, there is a hill full of green trees. When the merry-making air strikes it, the hills also seem to be laughing. Now we will move to the next stanza. Stanza number 2. When the meadows laugh with the lovely green, and the grasshoppers laugh in the merry scene. When Mary and Susan and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing, ha, ha, hey. In the second stanza, the poet continues describing the nature. When the meadows laugh with lively green. Meadows are the grounds with green grass and very less or no plants. For the poet, the green meadows seem to be laughing because of their green color. In the laughing and merry-making meadows, the grasshopper also make laughing sounds, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. When Mary and Susan and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing, ha ha hey. Here in this line, poet says that Mary and Susan and Emily depicts common ladies. The common women are also part of nature. In those meadows, common ladies are also enjoying and singing. Now, third stanza. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our tables with cherries and the nuts is spread, come lie and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha hey. We will see the explanation of third stanza. When the painted birds laugh in the shade. Here Poet want to say that painted birds means the bright color birds which are painted by someone. A direct sign of poets' belief in a god. Shade here either refers to the green trees or their nest in those trees. Where are tables with cherries and nuts is a spread. Come lie and be merry and join with me. In these two lines, near the birds which are on the tree is the table of the pot with cherries and nuts spread on it. The poet is sitting in the middle of a merry-making nature with the natural fruit. He offers others to come lie and be merry, to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha hey. They should join him to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha hey in a chorus, because along with the poet there is a nature which is singing and laughing. I hope so, student, you get the poem. Thank you.